In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot on your Windows 10 computer. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple way so you can make sure your system is ready and get Copilot showing up properly on your taskbar. To begin, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then select the gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where you'll manage the system options needed for the setup. Once the settings window opens, click on Update and Security. In this section, check for available system updates and confirm that your Windows 10 device is running version 22H2 or later. This is important because Copilot requires a recent version of Windows 10 to appear and work correctly. If you see an update waiting to be installed, go ahead and download it, then install it. After that, restart your computer so the changes can fully apply. It's a good idea to wait until the update process is completely finished before moving on, since incomplete updates can prevent new features from appearing. Next, open your web browser and visit the official Microsoft website to download and install the latest version of Microsoft Edge. Copilot on Windows 10 works through Edge, so having the newest version helps make sure everything is compatible. After Edge is installed, open it and click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, go to Settings. In the Settings sidebar, click on System and Performance. Here, make sure the option for Startup Boost or background extensions is turned on. This helps Edge stay ready in the background, which can support Copilot's availability and responsiveness. If you still don't see Copilot after updating Windows and Edge, go back to the Windows Update settings and join the Windows Insider program. Choose the Release Preview channel, which gives access to new features a little earlier than the standard public rollout. This can be useful if Copilot hasn't reached your device yet through the regular update path. Once your system is fully updated and enrolled, look to the right side of your Windows 10 taskbar. You should see the Copilot icon appear there. When it does, click the icon to open the sidebar and start using your new AI assistant.